In which book does the main character give her friend a communication card that reads?
Rules.
Rules is correct for Bonnier.
In which book are ghosts only allowed to travel?
Magic.
Magic is correct. Point for Bonnier.
In what book did the main character copy from someone else's poem?
Love that dog.
Love That Dog is correct. 1 point for the red team.
In which book does the main character look for birds and bird nests?
Listening for lions.
Listening for lions is correct for Greenfield.
In which book does a character have to participate in torture time? Red
Small
team?
steps.
Small Steps is correct.
In which book does the main character get paraded to his older brother's class by his teacher to show off his... Watson's Go to Birmingham is correct. 1 point for Bonnier.
In which book does the main character wear socks for mittens?
The Watsons Go to Birmingham.
No, I'm sorry, that is not correct. I'll repeat. In which book does the main character wear socks for mittens? All right, time's up. The answer is A Week in the Woods.
In which book did a young girl steal a brooch from her aunt's jewelry box? Blue team?
Skullduggery Pleasant.
Skullduggery Pleasant is correct. 1 point for
In which book does a character collect aluminum cans as a way to earn...
Lightning Thief.
Sorry, that is incorrect. I'll reread the question. Yellow team.
Shiloh.
Shiloh is correct. 1 point for the yellow team.
In what book does a delivery man try to drop off a load of pink?
Savvy.
Savvy is correct for Bonnier.
In which book were two of the main characters attacked by swarms of robot spiders? Yellow team? I'm sorry, that's not correct. Blue team? The lightning theme is correct.
In which book are there 5 boys under the age of 11? And Legend of Spud Murphy is correct. 1 point for the red team.
In which book do the main characters help baby sea turtles reach the water?
Suki's Kingdom.
Kensuke's Kingdom is correct for the red team.
In which book does a father invent a product to make feet?
Old.
Red team, Pulse is correct.
In which book does a neighbor suggest that everyone leave their country and find safety in America? Yellow team.
Elephant Run.
I'm sorry, Elephant Run is incorrect. I'll reread the question. Red team.
Yeah, the Breadwinner.
Sorry, that is also incorrect. The correct answer was Hannah's Suitcase.
In which book does a braided keyring lead a son to his father? Gregor the Overlander is correct for the blue team.
In which book does a boy have important files stolen from his computer? Red team, Found is correct.
In which book were there secret rooms hidden behind the walls? Blue team. Elephant Run is correct. 1 point for the blue team.
In which book was Caroline going to a teacher's?
Debbie Co.
Debbie Co is correct for the blue team.
In which book does an old torn photograph spark a red team? That's correct.
In which book were there candidates for the summit quest? Red team. The contest is correct. 1 point for the red team.
In what book did people dig up the bones of ancestors for money?
Listening to Lions.
No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, that is not correct.
The Breadwinner.
The breadwinner is correct for the blue team.
In which book did the main character quote Shakespeare to his therapist? Yellow team.
In which book did the main character's deceased father work on Wall Street? Red team.
Safe and home.
Safe at Home is correct.